Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Doaning Tias Ridanti Haikal and my student number is 186150003. This video is meant for getting score the final examination of second language acquisition in this video. I would like to explain about the second article from what I got till what does a critical period for second language acquisition mean? Reflection on Hartshorn et al. 2018 based on my understanding. In this article is about Hartshorn finding research about the critical period, where in his finding said that age and years of experience could affect second language acquisition or SLA. Context. He said that the age limit in the critical period ends at the age of 17 years, so that second language or L2 learning is most effective until the age of 17 years old, because after that the age the child age will experience a decrease in language learning. Beside this, the critical period means important or vulnerable effective for the language learning process, especially learning second language or L2. In other findings, namely Johnson put forward two views on the critical period that it can be seen from the brain's nerves or neurobiological and behavior. Both views are carried out to analyze the trajectory of a skills development by combining neural and behavioral approaches, thus enabling us to relate development to one another with changes in language-specific skills. With this view and with this aim from the views what I explained, the researcher proposes the use of two models to link neurodevelopment with behavioral development, namely the first interactive specialization or IS and the second neuroemergentism or NM. So that language learning is not limited to only learn the second language or L2 syntax, but more learn in extensive learning. In this article, it is also conveyed that Hartshorn uses a large sample to see the potential effect of the age and duration of children's knowledge of the language in order to determine the form of decline in second language or L2 learning ability. So the analysis put that the onset of decline that at 10 until 12 years old and a drastic decrease in learning second language or L2 syntax ability at around the beginning of 17.4 years old, and where the HTP view suggests that cognitive function may decline in late adolescence. Then the explanation the explanation of IS and NM, according to my understanding, is IS or interactive specialization is centered or focused on the interactions between brain regions or parts of brain that are devoted to a specific task related the behavior. So IS shows that behavioral and neurodevelopment are reciprocal processes over time in regions and networks that will become specialized and interconnected by themselves. So IS is used to describe the language development. Meanwhile, neuroemergentism or NM combines the concept of number of emergentist approaches to neurobehavioral development, in which elements that have been damaged are then repaired, reused, rebuilt, or build the new growth. So that the neuroemergentism combine the approach taken by interactive specialization, where both of them consider the development of their specialization, which is intended to encourage the linkage of cognitive and biological development in the development learning of second language skills. So that's my answer. Thank you.